Good morning. Here we are at the Department of Energy. We have with us today two of the buses that we purchased. These are full electric buses. This is to cater for the needs of the employees of the DOE and also in compliance to the Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act. This is one of our programs to provide an e-mobility in the Department of Energy.
It's a newly procured unit dito sa Department of Energy. It has a range of 500 kilometers. So pwede yan hanggang Baguio. Ang kanyang charging protocol is CCS2. So from empty to around 80%, asahan nyo yan with a fast charger, yung 60 kilowatt or higher, mararating nyo yung charging speed na yon to almost half of the battery requirements in about an hour's time. So full charge will require around 2 hours. The other one is yung smaller bus natin. It's a 20-seater bus. Ang range naman nun is 200 kilometers. So, ang perfect nun trip would be your to and from Baguio City. This is part of the demonstration projects na pinopromote ng ating Department of Energy under the Government Energy Management Program and consistent with the Comprehensive Roadmap for the Electric Vehicle Industry or CREVI na pinopromote natin under the Electric Vehicle Industry Development Act. So ang inaasahan natin, in the coming years, mas madami pang mga big buses at mini buses na battery electric vehicles ang magpa-apply ng mga daan dito sa ating bansa.